Hi, I'm Faisal Ibrahim. I'm from K2S2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anwar Muhammad Anam Isamat. I'm from K2S2.
Hello, I'm Haji Helmi. I'm from K2S2.
Hi, I'm Syafiq Iqmal from K2S2.
Hello, my name is Haris Haikal. I am from K2T14.
We are from K2T14. Today I'm going to talk about the subfield in civil engineering. But first of all, we need to know what is civil engineering. Civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline that deals with designs, construction and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment, including public works such as roads, bridges, highways and power plants. Okay, there are 4 types of subfield in civil engineering, and the first one is geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering is a study on how structures such as buildings and tunnels interact with the earth. It also will design and plan for slopes, retaining walls, natural water flow and tunnels. Structural engineering is one of the subfields in civil engineering in which structural engineers are trained to design the bones and the muscles of the structure that create of man-made structure. Structural engineering theory is based upon applied physical laws knowledge of the structural performance of different material and geometries. Okay, thirdly is transportation engineering. Transportation engineering is involved in planning, design, operation and maintenance of safe and efficient transportation system. Okay, this system includes roadways, railways, waterways and also intermodal operation. Typically, the traffic demand depends on how much people in one place. Okay, lastly, environmental engineering. It is the application of scientific and engineering principle to improve and maintain the environment. Okay, environmental engineering is very important because it helps to protect human health, protect nature's beneficial ecosystem and also improve environmental related enhancement of the quality of human life.
Hello, I'm Haziq again. So our first assignment is under transportation. So the question asks us to improve or add modification in any aspect of transportation around SKA or School of Civil Engineering in UTM. So since the question is too general, you can pick any point or any modification about any transportation issue or problem around SKA. So when there is problem, there is always a solution. So we have to come up with a solution about the transportation problem, but it doesn't mean the problem has a fixed solution. Even a problem, it can be fixed by various solutions. For example, I take one example. When the T-junction is stuck, always stuck in the morning. So one way to cover it up is by adding traffic light. So the transportation aspect is not necessarily for the vehicles. It will also mean for the pedestrian and the cyclist and also the vehicles mainly. So So another example of transportation problem and ways to solve it is by adding speed bump. So speed bump is used to slow down the cars. For example, like this, the car is slowed down. This is for the pedestrian also to cross the road easily, and also for the cars to not get very dangerous when they are coming after the speed bump. So for another example, this T-junction. So usually this T-junction gets very stuck in the morning, and there are many students who are walking around this. So it is not safe for them, and it is not practical for them to walk very dangerously. So to counter this problem is by adding zebra crossing around here. So the zebra crossing is to prioritize the pedestrian to walk first, so that the car will stop or slow down to give them to walk first. So to summarize, the transportation assignment is to come up with a solution that is practical in UTM, that is needed to be done to reduce accident and to make it less dangerous for both vehicles and the pedestrians or the cyclists. And that's that.
So I'm Harid again. I want to explain and discuss about the assignment of soil erosion in Sungai Kelantan. So in the past 20 years, northeast coast of Kelantan has suffered massive land losses. So state that due to the coastal erosion, especially from river mouth, from Sungai Pengkalan Datu to Sungai Kelantan or Kuala Besar. So based on their assignment that we get, this is from K1 assignment. So this assignment is want to carry out two activity, which is dragging the sedimental area and reclamation on erosion area. So the river in Pengkalan Datu to Kuala Besar is the way for the ship to pass through and go to the ocean. So why they must use the dredging process is for cleaning the bottom of the sea and get the ship to pass through easily. The second activity that they must carry out is reclamation. This is in order to reduce the losses of the land offshore and deposition of sand from west of the river bank. So after the reclamation process, rubble mound rock revetment is built along the existing that connected to the reclaimed land to protect the soil from further erosion. The revetment is mainly made up of rock, therefore it can disperse the wave energy and prevent the coastal erosion for a period of time. So these two activities that we carry out from the assignment of soil erosion in Sungai Kelantan is to prevent a dangerous or some accident outcome from years to years.
So our assignment is divided into 3 points. Firstly is the water resources, and then the second one is the water treatment plant, and the third one is the rubbish or the solid waste. So for the water resources, my hometown is from Kajang. So I'm taking the water resources from the Sungai Selangor, and then the company in charge is Shabas, and then the quality of the water I think today is in a good condition, because only a few problems reported due to the cause of the water problem. So from the water bill from my hometown is average RM50 ringgit monthly. And then water filter, I'm using the water filter in my house because it is for my family safety, and it is easy to be a drinkable water. And, for the logistic area from my house is about 30 km. I think for the wastewater point is firstly relocation from my house to the water treatment plant is about 5 km because it must located far away from the residential area. Next, the system is being used from the water treatment plant is sedimentation. It is at the simplest form. It's being used. The solid is being sprayed from the liquid, and then the company in charge is Indah Water. Effluent from the water treatment plant removed to the Sungai Kelang, and then the bill charged from my house is about RM8 monthly. The wastewater from the sink in the kitchen and from the washing machine is going to the sewage. So under the solid waste point, firstly the company that handle the pickup garbage is Alam Flora, and then the rubbish collection is from the Tuesday and the Wednesday weekly, and then the recycled material collection the day that they pick up is every Saturday. And lastly, the location, the garbage disposal from my house is about 2 km far. So there are 3 important things in our daily life. Firstly, the water sources. The water sources is important to us because it support the clean water to us to taking bath and the cooking. So the function of the water treatment is to make the water remove back to the river without polluting the river. So the solid waste is important to us because it is disposal the solid waste in a right way.
Hi, it's me again. So I'm about to explain to you guys about the structure engineering assignment made by group K1. Okay, this assignment they told the students to calculate the self-weight of a building around School of Civil Engineering. So in order to calculate this building, they need to find the first density, second the size of the building. This density and size they can find it through the internet, and also they can find it through the apps. Okay, next. In order to calculate the self-weight of the building, they need first they need to calculate how many beams and how many columns. So the beams is the horizontal part of the building, while the column is the vertical part of the building. And secondly, they also need to draw the plane front and side part of the building, so that they can know the value of the vertical length, horizontal length, and also the base length to calculate the self-weight of the building. And for the length, they can measure it by using the apps. The next, we move to calculation. Okay, first they need to separate the parts of the building to calculate. For example, they need to separate the room or the level of the building. and they need to use like kind of formula, which is, like I said before, intensity, and addition. They need to find the area, the volume, and also the mass of the structure. Okay, so after they calculate all the formula, all the calculation they did, they need to sum up all the result, and they found the self-weight building. Okay. Last but not least, based on the structural assignment that I just briefed about, all I can summarize is that we can learn how to identify the type of material that used to make a building, such as there are woods, steel, concrete, and anything else. Secondly, we also learn how to measure the length and height of the building using the apps on the phone or software on laptop. Third, we also know how to calculate using the formula given to find the safe weight of the building. That's all from me. Alright, as a conclusion, this assignment helped us to gain more knowledge about civil engineering and its subfield. Thank you.